Hello everyone. In this video, I will show a tutorial to open any menu in a new tab in a classic theme. So consider we have to open the blog menu in a new tab. First, go to your dashboard and navigate to menus in the appearance section. Here no option for a new tab is appearing. For further, go to the screen option on the top right corner and enable the link target option. Now again open the blog section and the option says, Open link in new tab, is here. Check the box and click on the save menu. Now go to your site and open the blog menu. It will open in a new tab.